Hi, I'm Frank Healy, Product Marketing Manager for Fluke Power Quality. There's a saying in energy optimization circles, what you can't measure, you can't manage. The logging function of the Fluke 430 Series 2 Energy Analyzer enables you to capture the critical values that you need to control energy. The logging function of the instrument enables you to capture any of the measured values over time. By capturing power and energy profiles, it's possible to discover where energy is being used and where it's being wasted. Logging with the Fluke 430 Series 2 couldn't be simpler. To start, press the Log button. The first screen gives information about how much memory is free and automatically suggests a name for the logger file you are going to create. In this example, the file name is measurement 111. This can be changed if you want to. The first important item here is the interval period. You should note importantly that this period is not the time between each measurement. The Fluke 430 Series 2 continuously captures information so that every maximum and minimum value is noted. The interval period is the time that the minimum, maximum and average values for the whole of the period are stored. Consult the application note logging with Fluke Power and Energy instruments available from the website for more details. Once we've selected the preferred interval time, in this case we'll choose 1 second, we can then set up the values we want to log. This is done by pressing function key F1, Set Up Readings. We've included a set of standard logging categories. These can be customized to suit your personal needs. Here we'll choose the power category. We can see that by default on the right hand side of the screen we have Watt, VA and VAR already selected. We can add other items by pressing the right cursor key to select a reading. Then cursor down to the item we want, which in this case will be power factor. We press F3 Add and then it appears in the selected list on the right hand side of the screen. Now we're ready to log. Press F5 OK. To start logging we just need to start with F5. After a moment the values we've selected appear on screen. They're being stored into memory every second as we selected earlier. These stored values can be viewed as a graph by pressing F3 Trend. Here we can see the power in watts on each of the phases and the total power. We can scroll through to see other values, VA, VAR and power factor. To stop recording, press F5 to hold. The readings are now stored in a file called measurement 111 as we described earlier. You can also review the same information on the screen of the instrument using the trend, or alternatively you can download the information using PowerLog software which is supplied with the instrument. With PowerLog you can create reports and pictures for further analysis which can be shared with your colleagues in your company.